How to fix Arena Breakout Infinite crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and then open up the properties window, and then under general tab under launch options you want to type -D3 D11, or if this does not work for you, you can try DX11. Now you want to go to the installed files section, which should look similar to this, installed files, and then click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. It should take a while, and once this is done you can close Steam and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to the drivers section and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have it already installed, try reinstalling it by clicking the button, should be right here. And once you finish installing the driver, you will need to check if you have the redistributables installed by right clicking on the start button and go to apps and features and then search here for redist. And you should have the latest version, which is 2022. If you don't have this, you can open up your browser and search for redist, and then click on the first link, which is this one. Then scroll down to this table and make sure to download the 86 version and the 64 version. Both of these you'll need to download and install. It's pretty easy to do. Now once you've installed them, you should restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, just open up Steam as administrator and just run Arena Breakout again, and that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.